Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Buckle Credit Cards account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Buckle Credit Cards account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Buckle Credit Card Login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. From the displayed option, tap on Sign In link shown on the page. You will end up on the login page of your Buckle Credit Cards account. Now, to log into your account, enter your username and password associated with your Buckle Credit Cards account and tap on Sign In. Click on Show option to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your login details to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot username or password. This is how you can log into your Buckle Credit Cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.